So FaceTime is known for the video calls, right? Even the icon on iPhone looks like this with a camera, but you can also make FaceTime calls without the camera. It's called FaceTime audio, and this is how you can do it. You open up the app like this, and if you have any person you have been talking to, right, you can click on them like this to show up their profile, and you can see that there is the video icon, which would be triggering the FaceTime video call, but next to it we have the audio or regular phone icon, and when you click on it like this, it's going to ask you how exactly you want to get in touch with them. If you have a SIM card installed, you can just make a regular phone call to that number, or you can also make the FaceTime audio call like this, again to that number. So that's how it works, and that's like the easiest way to make that happen. But as I say, outside of that, you can get to this section in other methods as well. For example, you go to the contacts, find person you have saved in here, and again the same stuff applies. You can go to the camera and make the video calls which are available, or click on the regular phone and either make the phone call, Snapchat or WhatsApp, and if they have the FaceTime enabled, then you'll be able to see the FaceTime audio call in there as well. So it kind of depends on the person, but you get my point. So that is how it would work. You can, for example, even go in here, and even if I don't have the phone number saved with that person, I can click on the phone icon, right? And as you can see, it directly goes to the FaceTime audio simply because there isn't any other way to call them. So you can either select from the options, or it will go to the FaceTime audio directly. So I hope it makes sense. That's just how it works. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.